If you want to change your voice on Discord mobile, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna download the voice mode soundboard, right? And this app will allow you to change your voice to multiple different voices like banana voice, child voice, or some other characters like movie stars, whatever it might be, and or your favorite artist or actor, and you're gonna be able right here to change it, and you can build your own sound your own way, and you can change your voice with using, as we said before, different kind of voice like Spider-Man, or Cartoon Man, or Baby, or whatever it might be, and then basically send it as a normal audio message to your Discord, and basically that's it, right? So let's run on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.